And, like I said, it'd be nice to get it, but it's not the first time I've run into trouble with them where I'm asking them for body cam footage, some surveillance footage. Mm-mm.
Yeah, I'm sure it's you gotta get through those loopholes, and it's probably have to,
Know the right people.
yeah,
Yeah.
exactly, know the right people or have the right credentials or which I know even some lawyers have trouble with getting what
Oh,
they need,
yeah.
so
Maybe you can recruit anonymous.
there you go.
That'd be great.
We
Yeah.
did a case that they were involved in, and they blew my mind with it. I'd never heard of them before that case, and I'd heard of it, but I wasn't really familiar with what they did, and after the case that I covered, it blew my mind on what they were able to do,
Oh,
the
yeah.
control that they had. So, yeah, maybe just start tagging them, #anonymous. Tell them Total Conundrum sent ya.
Yeah, I'm sure they got an email address out there somewhere.
Somewhere. Um